In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide an element in Webflow. If you're working on a website using Webflow, and there are specific elements that you want to keep out of sight for now, but not delete entirely, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step. Let's dive right in. First, what you'll want to do is log into your Webflow account. Make sure you're using a web browser and navigate to the Webflow website. Enter your credentials and hit Login. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your Webflow dashboard, which is essentially your command center. Here you can see all the projects you've been working on. Now, take a look at the project list on your dashboard and locate the specific project you want to edit. Click on it to open up the project. This will take you into the Webflow Designer for that project, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Designer, browse through your project layout and find the element that you want to hide. This could be any element like a button, link, or any other design component that you're currently using. When you have located it, click on it to select it. Selecting the element ensures that any changes you make from here on are applied to this particular item. Over on the right side of your screen, you'll find the sidebar. This area is where you'll see the Style panel, an essential tool for customizing design elements in Webflow. Focus on this sidebar, and within it, locate the Layout section. The Style panel offers an array of options for adjusting the visual styling of elements, but for the purpose of hiding an element, we need to make a specific change in the Layout section. Now, under Layout, you'll see a lot of settings, but what you should be looking for is the option that says Display. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down options, select None. By selecting None, you're effectively hiding the element from view on your published site. It's as simple as that. This change won't delete the element, it just makes it invisible to site visitors. After you've set the display to None, your next step is to ensure these changes are applied to your live site. So, move over to the top right corner of the Designer and click on the Publish option. When you publish, Webflow will update your live site with the changes you've made, and voila, the element is now hidden from public view. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to hide an element in Webflow. Remember, hiding elements can be a useful way to manage your design without losing any components you might want to use later. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!